So, folks, our next guest uses artistic expression to create spaces of intrigue, and he invites audiences to interpret meaning for themselves and engage with visual narratives in a personal and thought-provoking way. We welcome multimedia artist Marcus Blake, who doesn't live in Jamaica, was born here, and the first time in Jamaica in 20-something years.
Yes, I'm back.
Morning, Bridget.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to Smile. Great to see you.
I appreciate it.
We're going to talk about this in a little while, but
Sure.
Where did the fascination for art come from in the first place?
Well, the fascination for art, I believe, like, I've always been creative. As a kid, I never really worked with paint. I've just maybe worked a lot with my hands. And this is just how it gives me an opportunity to express myself. So if it wasn't through painting, then it was through my poetry. If not through my poetry, through a film. It was just the urge of how to get these feelings out into, not necessarily public, just to articulate it myself.
Yeah, when you said as a youngster you use your hands doing what?
Yeah, I mean, maybe you take the toys apart, very a tinkerer. I like to build things, reassemble things, match things together. So just experimentation, but not knowing maybe that's just the essence of how the process of art is, most of it's experimentation.
Yeah. And then when did the poetry start? And were you one of those roses are red, violets are blue, or do you get deep into?
Oh my God, I have a poetry book that I put out earlier this year called Diary of a Time Traveler. Because I write every single day.
So where the ideas come from?
I can wake up and be inspired. There's no need to something actually needs to inspire me. I think waking up is...
When was the last time you were inspired to write something? And what did you write?
Maybe before I left Miami. Just to explain how I felt about coming to home,
Yeah.
I'll sing the poem because it's amazing. It's an amazing poem.
Oh. All right. I said earlier that you want me to figure out what this means, right?
Maybe what?
Is that what you're saying?
It's maybe not something to figure out. It's like I said, they're more feelings. So it's not what it looks like. That's how it makes you feel. So if you connect with the feeling of it, then it's more of that than what it actually.
All right, tell me the
looks
genesis
like.
of this. Where did this come from?
This one, as you can see, it's technically me in a way.
Yep, don't turn your back.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you can tell me.
The round eyes, 'cause I wear my shades a lot, as the black represents the hair. Here's a shoulder. So it's like, it's me. Mm-hmm. So there are reflections of how I feel at the moment.
All right, so when I look at it now, what am I supposed to get from this?
So you don't see the face or a person or nothing?
I see the eyes.
Two eyes. There's the nose, the mouth is in here.
Well,
this is the shoulder.
I saw the eyes. I didn't see
this is crazy hair.
Yeah, but you don't mind, because we were talking before, which is where this question is coming from. You don't mind what I would call the imperfections.
Oh no, that's the humanness. It doesn't
have to be neat and...
No, because I've gone through that process of already trying to make it absolutely perfect. And nature doesn't even work like that. You can have two leaves. One leaf is perfect, and the other leaf is also perfect. But together, they're two different leaves.
Beautiful. Let's go over this
So it's
one.
the same.
You go on the other side this time, and I'm on the inside.
Sure.
Tell me about this guy now.
So this is a...
Well, I said this guy. Maybe
same.
Maybe a
So
girl. I don't know.
This is another... See, okay, so I've come to this many times. Somehow people keep thinking this is a woman.
Yeah.
When I painted it, it's still a reflection of me. This is still my crazy hair, but... more fulfilling. But these two styles are very different, and that's also me. Maybe being a Gemini, there's a duality. So this style is very rigid, and this style is very smooth.
Being a Gemini, your birthday is on Thursday.
On Thursday.
Yeah, you better give me something before you leave.
Oh, this jacket is yours.
Oh.
Yeah, this is your jacket. I'm just wearing it right now.
All right. How long would something like this take you? And double-barrel question, how long? And did you know what you're going to do from start to finish, or while you're painting, you're figuring it out?
No, I really just run off the inspiration. So all these colors, I might already have them. So I'm going to use, if I have 20 colors, I'm going to use every single color on the painting. And if I have the canvas, I put it down and I'll just get started.
Yeah.
And we'll see what happens after that.
At the end of the day, do you look at it and go, nah, or
No,
At the end of the day,
no,
you said, yeah, man.
they're all masterpieces.
So you have that one at the end of it and said, nah, I don't think this is what I want.
No, because if anything that adds to it, and I would keep working it until, I feel that's cool.
Beautiful. Why are you in Jamaica?
I'm here to reconnect with my roots and, come home and share my talent, my gift, and just reconnect to see where maybe all this is coming from. Everyone's always saying, oh, your work is so colorful, it looks islandy. And so maybe it's in my blood. It's in me,
So
it's in my soul.
showcasing some of your pieces.
Yes.
Where and what time?
Right now I have 9 pieces at Trio with Sophia Max Brown. And
Good friend, yeah.
I'll be here, those works are there until the 29th. So if you like, go check that out.
Yeah, man, I'm sure they will. And do you have pieces to sell, or this is?
Yeah, everything at Trio is for sale.
Give me an idea of what something like this would cost.
Roughly about, let me check real quick. Let's check it out. Maybe about $3,000.
US.
Yeah.
All right.
Also, real quick, so I put it out there,
Please.
I'm also a street artist. I do more than just a canvas, so I'm going to do a collaboration with Kingston Creative.
Oh, beautiful.
On Tuesday
Come
at
back
Temple Lane. Temple Lane and Harvard Street, I'll be out there, no shirt, doing my madman
When?
art on Tuesday, tomorrow.
What time?
From early. It's a day project.
Yeah.
So from
And you doing it by yourself, or you have the help with the
That's
folks?
me, my ladder, and my spray paint.
Yeah. Blessings, brother.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, good to see
Thank
you. Where in Jamaica are you from?
I would say Kingston, but I have family in St. Catherine. Also just learning the landscape, that things are close but still far apart. But yeah, I actually went to see my house yesterday where my mom left, we left.
Where?
I don't want to talk about that, we'll talk later.
Where is it?
18 Chosen Few Avenue.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
Morning, Sophie. Multimedia artist, Marcus Blake. Go out and support the Trio. Max Brown store on Pope Road.